Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss right joining or right outer joining in SQL. So what is right joining? Right joining return all rows from the right side table and matching rows from the left table. So now let me show you the table first which we are going to use for this example. So I'll say select star from, and there is a one table called employee and another one is select star from. Another table is a department. So let me execute this select statement. So here you can see the employee table, employee ID, employee name, employee country, department ID and salary. And from the department table, you can see the department ID, department name and department location. If you will see here, the common column between these two tables is a department ID. So department ID in the employee table is a foreign key. And now we'll see here. So what is the definition of right outer joining? So here you can see the department 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So one department in the department table, one department is extra actually. So what when we join this table using a right outer joining, what will happen? It will return all the record from the department table from 1 to 5, and the 5 is not here in the employee ID. So this employee ID and employee name and the employee country, it will return a blank. Another thing, if you notice the department here in the last two record, the department is 00. The department 00 is not there here. So it will eliminate these two record 36 and 37 employee ID because the 00 department is not here. So hope you will understand. So I'll repeat the definition again. The return all rows from the right table. So right table is our department table and matching rows from the left table. Left table is our employee table. So it will return from employee ID 31 to 35. 36 and 37 will be eliminated because the 00 department ID is not there. And from this department table, it will return a 1 to 5. So now let me write a select query. So I'll say select, and first I want to display employee ID, employee name, employee country and salary. So I'll use a employee table, employee dot employee ID, comma, employee dot employee name, comma, employee dot employee country, comma, next line, employee dot salary. Okay. Now I will select the column from the department table. So here I'll go to the next line. I'll say department dot department ID, comma, department dot department name, comma, department dot location. Okay. Now from employee, salary, and from employee table, right join on department table. So this employee is our left side table and department is our right side table. On next line, employee dot department ID equal to department dot department ID. So now if I will execute this query, so what will happen? These last two record, as I mentioned, from the employee table will be removed, and the fifth from the right side, the department 5 will appear with all employee ID null, employee name null, employee country null, and the salary null. Now let's execute. So you can see 31 to 35 employee, 2 records are eliminated, which has 0, 0. And this, the department ID 5 is not there, part of the employee table. So it is returning employee ID null, 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 all this. So this is the beauty of right outer journey.
I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.